close, guys. Get in there, buddy. You're going to see the fleas. Get really close. You're going to see the tiny fleas now. Here we go. On there, mate. You see them? And there. And there. You just move back, they're jumping. You just move back. Now, for those of you who didn't actually see the fleas are all underneath, ready to perform for us. What I'm doing now is known in the business as killing time. The fleas are all running around, grabbing a hold of the right coloured coded bar, ready to push the carousel. All I want you guys to say is push it, and hopefully they'll push it for us. Here we go. Push it!
Push it!
Push it!
Push it!
Push it! Amazing! Give them a big round of applause, everybody. Woo! Now the next flea you're about to see is Cynthia. She's our high diving flea. She works here on the high diving board. She used to work down at the local cesspit. Here she goes. Get really close for this one, buddy. And you, really close. You see her on the bottom step. She'll climb up in a minute, guys. Really close now. There she is. She's about to jump. Get really close now, guys, and you'll see her. Can you see her on the edge? Here she goes. Look really close, guys. Oh! Oh! Oh yeah, the flea. Can you just blow her? I said blow, not spit. She'll soon dry. Now we move on to our final flea. It's our guest flea. We searched the whole world for this flea. We managed to find one in America. Sadly, when we came through customs, they said